Do you want to know how to create this? Or this? Or this? Well, keep watching.
Man, that guy is good. Hey, Dad, what's up? What? That's a 10-hour drive. All right, let me see what I can do. God. All right. Fastest way to travel. Amazon. What do we got? Convert your car to a flying machine. Ooh, not great reviews. I think that is 1 point of 1 star. Ooh, $249,000. Well, I guess if it gets me there. What do we got? Add to cart. Buy now. Instant financing. What is that? You have been approved. Rush shipping? Yes or yes? Yes. Wow, that was fast.
Here we go. Instructions. Step 1, install. Step 2, fly. That's it? All right. That should work.
All right, we're ready to go. But I cannot go looking like this. Now we're ready.